Hello guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel, like my video as usual. Today I'm going to show you a new pattern called bubble pattern or honeycomb pattern. Whichever way you choose to call it, it's all the same pattern. Right here I've already cast on 20 by 20 needle, knitted about 10 row already. My tension here is tension 8, and you can see now my row counter here is 10 row already that I've already knitted. So this pattern, you can't really count it by row counter because it has the way it loop inside each other, in which you cannot count it. But the way to count it, a pattern form 5 row, a pattern of feet, one pattern of feet form a 5 row. In case you want to do the pattern in the front and at the back of your sweater you want plain knitting rows, so you are going to count one pattern for 5 plain row. So let's go guys. So right now I'm going to remove one needle, leave 3 needle on working position and push one needle to hold on position. That is at hold on. I don't want it to work now. That's the meaning of hold on. It's going to work, but I don't want it to work for me now. So I'm going to leave 3 and push one out just like that to the end of the needle that I've cast on. So this pattern can be knitted in 2 color or 1 color. So right, we are doing 1 color of this pattern. You remember I said it's honeycomb pattern or bubble pattern. So I've already shifted this to hold on position. You push this to this place and you move your carriage by 4 row. So I'm going to move 1, 2. So that 2 row, I'm going to hang a weight on it, so that as this needle is going to take a lot of rows, a lot of wool on it, it's going to have a wool pile on it. So I don't want it to at least remove, so I'm going to put a weight to drag it down. So I'm going to move again. I've already knitted 2 rows, so another 2 rows to make it 4. This is 4. Then I'm going to shift this, the hold on, back to working position. That is, I want all the needles now to work. This is going to start working back, and this I will need 2 rows for this position of working position. So 1, 2. Then where it is you are going to come to the center of the first 3 you leave behind at the working position, at the center of it. That's it. Then you come to the center of all the first bubble or honeycomb you first make. So you come to the center and push the needle out to hold on position. Then you press this and knit another 4 rows. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press hold on for 2 rows. 1, 2. Then the next one is going to be leave 3 and come to the 4th needle, push it out. Then press hold on, knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I must confess to you that the next 2 row to close this needle back is very hard row to knit. It's very strong because of this yarn that is pile up, the wool that is pile up. So you have to put a little force on your carriage. So 1, 2. Then the next one is at the center of the first 3. The center of the first 3. So these have to be knitted in odd numbers. Your needle have to be arranged in odd numbers. It can be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, the needles to form bubble pattern. So this is now on hold on. Then I'm going to knit 4. Then press this back to knit 2. So the next one at the center of the first 3. So I want you to see this is bubble pattern or honeycomb pattern in one color. So I'm going to remove it for you to see. So you can see the way the bubble went on, like, and it's like interchanging. This one is here and there's a gap in between another one. So why is it called honeycomb? The way the honeycomb used to be, the honey being comb, the way it used to be, that's how it's always look like when you finish knitting it. And maybe because we put weight on it, so it has not come back to the actual size of it to make the bubble really show up well and give that gap of honeycomb. Thank you for watching. I hope this video really helped you to make this on your own. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.